Did you know a powerful sneeze could fracture a rib? That's right, our body's sudden, forceful response can be surprisingly potent. But that's not all. Stopping a sneeze can be even more dangerous. This natural reflex shouldn't be stifled. Why, you might ask? The act can rupture a blood vessel in your head or neck. The consequences can be fatal. So next time, let your sneeze free. It's not just about etiquette, it's about your health. Remember, your body knows what it's doing. Trust its natural reflexes. Your safety might just depend on it.